and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically apply like a cartoon to your videos. It's pretty funny actually. I'm just going to add this video of a rat. I'm just going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. It's better if your video is like a PNG. Well, like I think you just have to do it actually. Just copy and paste it, and we're going to create a shadow. We're going to rotate this twice, and we're going to reverse that. Like I pressed this button, mirror that, sorry. And then we're just going to go to adjustments, turn on the saturation, the brightness of the contrast, go back to basic and just adjust the opacity so that it looks like a shadow. And I feel like I love this video of just adding a cartoon to your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!